The world of e-commerce continues to change, but one thing hasn't: fraud. E-commerce fraud is on track to top $206 billion in 2025. Card-not-present fraud attempts rose 43% in the last 5 years. All online businesses are at risk for lost revenue, lost goods, chargeback fees, higher processing costs, even closed accounts. The most common threats are chargeback fraud and friendly fraud. Fraudsters buy something online. After it's delivered, they tell their card company it never arrived, or the cardholder just doesn't recognize the purchase because a thief made it with their card number. Either way, the card company charges back the purchase to the business, who loses the sale, loses the merchandise, and pays a chargeback fee up to $100. When fraudsters find an easy target, they tell other scammers. Too many chargebacks and the bank will close the business's account and flag the business as high risk. They're labeled high risk for 5 years and face higher processing fees. And they can even go out of business if no one will give them an account. Even if your merchandise doesn't appeal to chargeback fraudsters, your business can be a victim of testing fraud. Thieves shop at small online stores to see if their stolen card numbers work. When they do, you lose the transaction amount, the merchandise, and the shipping costs. That adds up. You could try to fight fraud yourself by screening each transaction and calling customers when they're suspicious. That takes time, and you'd still be at risk for fraud. You could block orders from certain areas or countries, and every order with suspect information. That would upset unfairly declined customers, though, and it wouldn't fully protect you from fraud. Or you can choose ClearSale to fight fraud, approve more sales, keep your customers happy, and end your chargeback fraud liability. With ClearSale's total guaranteed protection, you get the latest technology plus human intelligence. We have more than 2,000 expert fraud analysts and the most advanced technology ready to defend your store. We screen all your orders. If there's a question, we run a secondary review. And if we still have doubts, we verify with your customer. After the full analysis, you have the final say on order approval and denial. Most suppliers would deny these orders automatically, losing you revenue. You only pay for transactions you approve. And you have the chargeback insurance option, so you'll never pay for chargeback fraud. At ClearSale, we're ready to help you. With total guaranteed protection from fraud, so you can enjoy the freedom to sell.